The Edge 130 Blue is a cutting-edge military-grade unmanned aerial system, UAS, specifically engineered to execute complex intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, missions. Developed by FlightWave and part of Red Cat's portfolio, this state-of-the-art system blends innovative robotic hardware and advanced software to become a critical enabler in military operations. Thanks to its compact size, lightweight design, and vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, the Edge 130 Blue is ideal for missions that demand both flexibility and mobility. The development of the Edge 130 Blue is further supported by a Tactical Funding Increase (TACFI) grant, which is set to enhance its capabilities, improving the drone's performance for military use. One of the key features of the Edge 130 Blue is its unique tricopter configuration, with a maximum weight of just 200 kg. This lightweight design makes it easy to transport and deploy in the field. It can be manually assembled and launched in under a minute, significantly reducing mission preparation time. Additionally, the Edge 130 Blue can stay airborne for over 60 minutes in forward flight mode, making it a leader among Blue UAS-certified drones in terms of endurance. The primary purpose of the Edge 130 Blue is to perform ISR missions, delivering real-time intelligence and aerial surveillance through its advanced sensor technology. Its lightweight and portable design, combined with precision sensors, allow it to capture highly detailed aerial imagery and operational data. These features make the drone an indispensable asset for improving situational awareness of ground forces, especially in complex and dynamic operational environments. Recognized as a versatile and reliable system, the Edge 130 Blue is ideal for medium-range military missions. Its ability to provide crucial support and real-time data on the battlefield solidifies its role as a vital tool in modern military operations. Designed to meet the rigorous demands of ISR missions, the Edge 130 Blue represents the future of unmanned systems in military technology. Explore the potential of ISR technology with the Edge 130 Blue, the next generation in unmanned aerial systems.